we know something about Earth, but we are curious to know other planets of the solar system. Means what are their facts and other important things. First one, see the chart has been given. Mercury. Mercury, it doesn't have any satellites, natural satellites. Then inclination of the axis in degree is 0.01, and period of rotation, that means how much time does it take to rotate itself. That means as compared to the earth, 58.65 days. And period of revolution, revolution means one round around the sun, it needs 88 days, means less number of days. Magnetism, no magnetism, and it has no atmosphere, and rings are also not there. And see second one, Venus. Venus, if you observe Venus, no natural satellites, and inclination of the axis in degrees is 177.2, and it takes through 243 days to rotate around itself, and 225 days to revolve around the sun, and it has no magnetism and no atmosphere, and rings are also not observed there. And next, Earth. We know about Earth, but I am going to tell you, Earth has one natural satellite, that is the moon, and it takes 23.5. Its inclination of the axis is in degrees is 23.5 degree, and it takes 24 hours to rotate around itself, and 1 year we know already means 65 days, 365 days, and it has magnetic field, and it has atmosphere, we all know, and it has no rings. And as far as Mars is concerned, it has two natural satellites, and inclination of the axis in degrees is 25.2, and it takes 24 hours and 37 minutes. Means compared to Earth, it's quite, we can observe that similar timing, quite difference is there, and it takes 1.88 years to revolve around the sun at time, and it has no magnetic field, and it has atmosphere. It means Mars has atmosphere and no ring is observed. And Jupiter, you know, has the highest number of natural satellites, that means 64, and inclination of the axis is 3.1 degree, and it takes 9 hours 56 as compared to the Earth, 9 hours 56 minutes to rotate around itself, and 11.87 years. See how much time it takes to revolve one round around the sun, and it has magnetic field, and it has atmosphere, that's more important, and it has a ring. And Saturn has 33 natural satellites, and the inclination of the axis is 26.7, and it takes 10 hours 40 minutes to rotate around itself, and 29 years. See how much time does it take? 29 years to revolve around the sun, and it has magnetic field, and it has atmosphere, and it has ring also. And Uranus has 27 natural satellites, and the inclination of the axis is 97.9 degree, and it takes 17 hours and 24 minutes to rotate around itself for one rotation, and 84 years, see 84 years to revolve one round around the sun, and it has magnetic field, and it has atmosphere, and it has ring. And Neptune has 13 natural satellites, and the inclination of the axis is 28.8 degree, and it takes 16 hours and 11 minutes to rotate around itself, to rotate one round, and 164 years, maximum number of years are needed to complete one round, one revolution around the sun. And it has magnetic field, it has atmosphere, and it has ring. So these are the important facts we should know about the other planets of the solar system. And Pluto is also called as what? Dwarf planet. It has not been included here. So other important facts about the solar system, planets of the solar system are, see, Mercury. Mercury, this planet is closest to the sun. It's visible in the morning and evening if it is away from the sun. And a number of depressions, means which look like volcanic craters but are actually caused by meteoric falls, can be seen on the surface of Mercury. Mercury is the fastest moving planet. Mercury is the fastest moving planets. We shall learn important facts about other planets in the next video.